శ్రీ బండారి లక్ష్మారెడ్డి గారు.
I, Bandari Lakshma Reddy, had been elected member of the State Assembly, do swear in the name of God that I will bear truthfully and allegiance to the Constitution of India by the law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of the India, that I will truthfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. I, Bandari Lakshma Reddy, member of Telangana Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God that I shall abide by the law, by and the law, rule and observe the equity and respect the convention of the House.
శ్రీ బండ్ల కృష్ణమోహన్ రెడ్డి గారు.